Hey there, Brixers and Lego friends. We are going to do part 2 of the bird build, and we are going to do the Blue Jay today. So I'm going to pull the instructions out. We're going to put this box just over here so it's out of our way so you can see the whole table this time. And then we're going to do something really cool at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So let's just get started with this, and probably we'll speed it up like we did the other one. As soon as I dump them here, we'll speed it up and we'll get building, and join me at the end for something really cool. Well, that about finishes the build for the Cyanocida cristata, commonly known as the Blue Jay. So I think this model turned out very, very well. I love it. It's great. It fits in there with the theme of the birds and everything. It's about the life size of a Blue Jay too. I just love this tail here, right down there. It's perfect. I have Blue Jays in my yard, so I can attest to this being the true colors of the birds. So it's awesome. We're just going to put that aside. And anyway, we will catch you again soon. Okay, so here's what I wanted to do at the end of the video is try out these Bean Boozled beans. They're very much like the Harry Potter Bertie Bott's flavored beans. In fact, made by Jelly Belly. So they are basically the same thing, only they can't use, the Harry Potter brand, of course. So they went out with Bean Boozled and called it a game. Now you shake them up, you lift it up, and pump it down, and well, we got a couple different ones. So let's take that one right there, and the color coding is on the back. So this could either be juicy pear or booger, or lime, or lawn clippings. Let's try it and see what it's going to be, shall we?
Okay, that's definitely lawn clippings. No, tastes like mud. Okay, bye.
That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I'll talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.